This is a side axis. A side axis is typically hinged on one side, either on the top or on the side. Same way. If your light box is large and you need better accessibility, we can hinge top and one side. So when changing out graphics, you typically have 3 layers. One is the diffuser, which goes in the back. The other one is the clear lens that goes in the front. And the third one is your backlit film that goes right in the middle. So when changing this out, you could actually slide the clear lens and that backlit, you could slide them out, take them out here. And when inserting the new lens, the new backlit film, you just insert it in between and slip it through and close.